Sample integrity is to do with the scientists' work, and we provide the equipment to give the ultimate temperature to give the best viability and integrity of those samples. The scientist ultimately knows what their product needs to be stored at. For instance, vaccines, they need to be stored at a finite temperature between 2 and 8. If the vaccination process is outside of those parameters, the whole process is completely fruitless and the vaccination wouldn't work. Now we have that range within Thermo Scientific from +4 down to -196. And ultimately 80% of the samples stored is in the -86 freezers. If the samples are outside their parameters for any given time, obviously the sample integrity is affected. Thereby the viability of those cells are gone. What we have within the Thermo Scientific portfolio is SmartView. Now any instrument is not invaluable for failure. So ultimately you need something which is autonomous from the instrument, and we have SmartView. It's a remote monitoring system which is wireless and is connected to a server. So remotely you can access your server and check on your instruments from the comfort of your own bed. Basically you have a transmitter and a probe which goes into the chamber. It's not attached to the instrument in any way whatsoever. It has an internal battery which lasts for 5 years, and it's collecting data every 5 minutes or whatever timeline the scientists wish to actually take. It gets collected onto a server and then it goes on a graph, and you can access this remotely via the World Wide Web. Thermo Scientific SmartView will actually link most of your instruments within the lab. You can do biosafety cabinets, you can do CO2 using relative humidity, you can use probes, PT100s, right the way down to -196, biosafety cabinets to check the air quality and the temperature range within lab refrigerators and freezers. There's alarm mode, either telephone, SMS, or simple alarm to your building management system. So your security company will be able to remove your samples in the event they're outside their normal parameters. Learn more at thermoscientific.com/cold storage.